multiplying and dividing. First, multiplying fractions. Before multiplying fractions, we have to know the formula or the rules of multiplying integers. Same sign equals positive, different sign equals negative. Now multiplying fraction formula, a over b times c over d. We have to multiply the numerators by each other and the denominators by each other. So 2 over 5 times 3 over 4, this equals to 6 over 20. I will show you the rules for multiplying fractions in details now. To multiply two fractions together, multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. Let's work an example. Work out 3 over 5 times 2 over 3. So by using the formula of multiplying fractions, we have to multiply the numerators by each other, 3 times 2, and the denominators by each other, 5 times 3, to get 6 over 15, and the simplest form equals 2 over 5. Let's take another example. Work out negative 10 over 3 times 11 over 6. So we have to multiply negative 10 times 11 and 3 times 6 to get negative 110 over 18. More simplification, we can divide the numerator and the denominator by the number 2, which is the highest common factor between the top number and the bottom number, to get negative 55 over 9. And more simplification, I changed the improper fraction into mixed number by long division. Inshallah, in the next video I will show you how to change from improper fractions to mixed numbers and vice versa. Now, dividing fractions. Dividing rules, as we talked previous in the multiplying integers rules, the same. If you have the same sign, the result is positive always. So negative, negative, the result positive. Positive, positive, the result positive. And if you have different signs, the result is negative. Okay, now 1 over 2 divides or over 1 over 6. So the rule or the formula for dividing rules, dividing fractions, the first fraction without change, leave me as here, and the division will change to multiplication, and flip the second fraction upside down. So now in details, dividing fractions. To divide two fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal, or you can flip the second fraction upside down of the second fraction. This means simply that the divide sign is swapped or changed for a multiply sign, and the second fraction is flipped upside down. Let's take example. Work out 3 over 5 divides 2 over 3. So the first fraction without change, and we swapped division for a multiply or into a multiply sign, and flipping the second fraction upside down. Instead of 2 over 3, it becomes 3 over 2. So we change the division of fractions into multiplication of fractions. This means when you have multiplication between two fractions, you have to multiply the numerators by each other, 3 times 3, and the denominators by each other, 5 times 2, to get 9 over 10. Let's take another example. Work out 17 over 6 divides 3 over 5. So the first fraction without change, and we have to change from division into multiplication sign, and the second fraction we have to flip upside down. So instead of 3 over 5, it becomes 5 over 3. Now multiply 17 times 5 equals 85, and 6 times 3 equals 18. More simplification, if you divide by long division 85 over 18, you will get this mixed number 4 and 13 over 18. Thank you.